Okay, hi, I'm Bruce Mitchell from Slots Direct. I'm going to try to show you how to unjam a Mills slot machine. All the Mills mechanisms are pretty much the same, and I'm going to show you how to unjam one. Start out, we have our Mills Golden Nugget here. Now, most of the time if you have one jammed, the handle's going to be stuck like halfway down, and you can pull it down, but it won't do anything. I'm going to show you how to unjam it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the back of the machine. So just turn the key, take the back off. And once you get the back off, you're going to have to remove the bonnet. Removing the bonnet, you lift these two levers right here, lift it up and then out, and you have the bonnet out. Now we're going to remove the mechanism from the machine, and I'll show you how to hand cycle it to unjam it. So to remove the mechanism, many times there's going to be a screw either here or here in the cabinet that has to be taken out first. So first check and make sure that there's not a bolt holding it in. In this case there is a bolt on this side, on the left side. That bolt could just as well have been over here. So we're going to take the bolt out. Once you get the bolt out, don't lose it, we're going to lift these two arms, one on this side and one on this side. And most of the time there's going to be a little holding clip there for them. And once you've done that, the mechanism will lift right out of the machine. Just grab it here on the operating lever, lift up, and then slide it out. And once you have the mechanism out, we'll take this cabinet and set it aside. Okay, once the mechanism is out, you want to check it everywhere to see if there's any coins stuck in the bottom somewhere, because a lot of times they're jammed up because of coins falling down and getting in the mechanism. So check here in the clock mechanism, look for any loose coins anywhere in the bottom. Check everywhere. Might be coins down in this area, or many times there's coins down in this area. Any coins that you see, get some needle nose or your fingers or a spring hook or whatever and fish them out. Once you get the coins out, we're going to show you how to hand cycle the machine so that you can unjam it. But like I said, the handle's going to probably be partly down. So this is the handle mechanism here. This is probably down about here somewhere. But you're going to need a big screwdriver. So take a big screwdriver and put it between this hub here and this, where this first big spring is here, this right here. And then hold this lever here back, because that's what tells it if there's a coin in the machine or not. So you got to hold this back with one hand and then pry down on this lever with the other hand. And as you come down and finish the cycle, it'll spring back up. In normal condition, this will be all the way up. We'll show you that one more time. Now push this lever back, right here, hold it back, put your screwdriver between these 2 points, and pull it down, and we'll go through this thing. And that's the cycle. So once you've gotten that cycle to work good, try it one more time, you've unjammed the machine. And we just have to put it back in the mechanism. So we get it back in the mechanism, we get the case. Putting it back in is just as easy as taking it out was. What you want to do is grab the mechanism by the operating bar where we had it before. You can hold the front with this here, lay it on here, and slide it in. And once you get in far enough, you're going to see there's little tabs here, and it'll just pop right into place. And then if you had a screw holding it in, I would suggest you go ahead and put that back in. So we're going to put our screw back in to hold it. Okay, and we'll put the bonnet back on. Put the bonnet back on. You got to go at an angle. Get this tab underneath here. Okay. Once you get it on, put these two arms down. We put the back on. And once you get the back on, all right, put these two arms down first. I just showed you what I should have done myself, but put those two arms down first, then the back will go on without any problem. Turn the machine around, and then just put a coin in it, cycle it, make sure it works now. So we're going to put a quarter in, pull the arm. Yay, it's working. That's how you unjam a mill slot machine. Really not much to it. Thank you for watching.